Da, 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 da.
Laughing. Anyway, hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. So I have somewhere to be. Yes, you guys know I don't stay in one place. At this point, my nickname should be Ajanukwe, Ajala, Waka Waka, Queen of Outside, name it. I'll collect every award you give to me right now, okay? Because I'm more. See, your girl does not stay in one place. It's not my fault. But anyway, guys, today is Sunday, and my friend Amber, I think I've shown Amber on this vlog before some time ago. I think that was last year. So my friend Amber, her elder sister is turning 40 or turned 40 today, and they're having a surprise dinner party for her at Sheraton, and I was invited. So I'm literally just trying to get my makeup done. We're asked to be there between 4 and 5 because the celebrants will be arriving at 5, and I really don't want to miss a surprise, but I have a feeling that I might miss a surprise because it's 4:30 and I haven't started my makeup yet. Today has been a lot. I had to take Mia to go and make her hair for school tomorrow, do this, do that. Like, guys, my life. So it's looking as if I may not be able to make this surprise, but as long as I'm there, that's all that matters. Dress code is black and glam. So let me show you guys what I'm wearing real quick. All right, so I'm wearing this dress from Imatiti Fashion. It's a long sleeve dress, and I love this detailing that it's got here. I've not worn this yet, like since it was sent to me. I haven't worn it, so I'm super excited to wear this today, and you guys will definitely see the full look by the time I'm done. Yeah guys, so that's my outfit, and because it's black and glam, I'm thinking, do I wear silver sandals? Do I use like silver accessories or gold accessories? I'm not really sure right now. Silver or gold. Anyway, I'll figure it out and you guys would see what it looks like. So let's go.
Oh baby, baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises. No, did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh baby, baby, good at thinking. Even though your mama told you
Hey babe is ready to go. And yeah guys, I'm going with Jessie, by the way. Did I mention? Yes, I'm going with Jessie. And yeah, let's go guys. This is almost 6 p.m. We are so late, but let's hope that not much has happened yet. So let's go. Hi.
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 Hi. Hi. Husband man.
We're here to eat some food.
Did you guys hear that? So we're here to eat some food. So you're only here for the food.
No, we're here to groove and eat some food.
I can't with you. I cannot with you.
It's your own fault. Now toss the soul. It's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on. It's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on. It's a devil on your shoulder. Oh, devil on. It's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on. It's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on. It's a devil on your shoulder. Shoulder. Hey, don't you look at me like that. Hey, like you're feeling sorry. Don't you look at me like that. When you break my heart like that. Like you're feeling sorry. Cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that. When you break my heart like that. Like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the soul. Don't you look at me like that. Walking out the door.
The celebrant's hand is on top of the knife. Ma, what it means is that all of your goals, aspirations, dreams, desires, everything you still want to become, they are valid. You are not old, ma. You are just starting life. Haha, I like that smile. So, ladies and gentlemen, please you will join me. I will spell out the letters of the word grace. Ma, when we get to the last letter, you go ahead and do justice to your birthday cake. Are we ready? Yeah. Please give me a grand G. I'm sure we can do better. I'm sure we can do better. One more time. Please give me a grand G. A radiant R. An amazing A. A charming C. And an everlasting E. What is this spell? Grace. You and I are going to try as much as we can to sing on that sound. Do you understand? Have you been in the choir before? Aha! You see? The spirit is moving me correctly. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, Lord. I know you come from heaven. The Holy Spirit sits on the throne. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, Lord.
Praise the Lord. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is Wednesday, right? Yeah, today is Wednesday, and I have an event this evening. It's actually like a Netflix event. So Glamour Girls is premiering today, but it is the movie premiere in Abuja today, hosted by Play Network and Netflix, right? And I was invited for this event. So yeah, it's this evening. It's happening at Transcorp Hilton. To be honest, like, I'm not even feeling myself today, guys. Like, I feel like I'm going to come down with a terrible flu. My head hurts, my eyes are watery, my throat itches, my nose is stuffy. I feel like I'm going to come down with something, but I could only take like painkillers for my head, right? I didn't want to take any strong flu medication just yet, just so that I'm not woozy this evening, being that I have to go for this event. But yeah, anyway, that's that. I just want to start getting ready quickly. This is almost 5:30. The event is supposed to start at 6, but we all know that it is not going to start at 6. Yeah, that is the activity for this evening. Very exciting, actually. This will be my first Netflix event, my first movie premiere. I don't think I've been to an actual movie premiere before, so it'll be my first movie premiere, my first Netflix event, my first Play Network event, and all of that. So that's pretty exciting. Dress code is, what did I say dress code is? Dress code is all that glitters, evening glam. This is also pretty exciting to me because I don't forget the actual original Glamour Girls movie from the 90s. I was obsessed with that movie. I think I even rewatched that movie like last year or something, and I hope that the movie is, you know, worth the hype and all of that. But anyway, yeah, so the dress code is all that glitters, what again, all that glitters, evening glam. And this is my outfit of the night. I had this dress made for me by Wura, my girl Wura, my sweetie pie Wura. Okay, and this is a full-on glam dress. Shebi, they say we should come and be glittering there. So we're gonna glitter from head to toe. I'll show you guys what the full outfit looks like when I wear it. But it's a very simple dress. I just wanted the fabric to speak for itself. It's a very simple pink strap long dress with a high sleeves. But yeah, the fabric, I love that. I couldn't say no to this fabric. I'm just going to use this my really short bob hair from Julieta Hair. I've only worn this once, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this again today, and hopefully it goes well with my dress. I don't want any hair that will take away from the dress, so I'm not doing any long hair or anything. I would have really loved to pull my hair back, but I don't know if I should actually attempt doing that. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me start getting ready small. We're supposed to be there for 7. I mean, me and my ladies have agreed to be there for 7. So let me hurry up and get ready.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers. Då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig, baby. Ja, du allians. Du är försiktig, baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50, baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig, baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som det. Som det, baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som det.
Guys, I just got here. You guys will see my dress properly, like when I'm gone inside properly. My girls will just help me do like a little clip of my dress. But yeah, just got here.
Aldrig titta på någon annan, varför du med annan? Kom var med mig, baby. Aldrig titta på någon annan. Och du allians. Du är försiktig, baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50, baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig, baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som det. Det är mitt liv, baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som det. Det är mitt liv, baby. Visa mig vart du finns. Du kommer väl till min city? Nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom då, det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet att jag men inte kör det. Skön social smart good lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig vart du finns, yeah.
god. It's a lie. Oh. I can't believe